Alright guys, welcome to the unboxing of the PlayStation 5. Now, I'm pretty sure you've heard of this pretty often, even if you're vaguely into video games, and you've also probably heard that this is really tough to get. Believe me, they are right to say so. It is pretty tough to get this thing. So, without further ado, let me step in front here and let's unbox this thing. Before we go ahead and open it up, let me just show you around the box. We've got the PS5 logo, that right there. Just covered up the serial number, my particular unit. Ooh, stunning games, breathtaking immersion, lightning speed. Yeah, we'll see about that. I don't know if I'm gonna review the console itself, but at the very least you get to see what it looks like and maybe get some of those, pre-PS5 jitters out of your system, or maybe you get more hyped for the system. Well, let's jump right in. We start by removing the round circular tape that seals this top off. Slide this out. Slide out the briefcase from the cover. Wow. What, do I have to pay the $10 additional to finish unboxing this thing or what? I see what the problem is. It was ripping into this right here. So, once you remove that, pretty easy to slide this out, and here it is. Flip it to the front, nothing but a PlayStation logo. Very nice. So as we open this up, as you can see, it's got that right there. You open up the flap, comes with the instructions for how to remove it. Now this right here is where, inside this box, there should be instruction guide, the cable itself, the Dualsense controller, which we'll take a look at later, and USB Type-C. Nice. The instruction booklets, yada yada. Put that on the side. Put that on the side too. And underneath this is the HDMI cable itself. What the hell is this? Oh. Check it out. This right here is the base. This is where you're gonna put your PlayStation, whether you are standing it up vertically or horizontally. So, it spins around. Now here it is. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and display it in all its glory. There you go. The rest of it is empty. You can go ahead and throw it to the side. Ooh, look at this. Let's do the reveal from back to front. From back to front. Ready? Okay. Whoa.
Oh no! I know!
Look at this thing. Oh, it's fucking huge. This thing's fucking massive. At the bottom of that, it's got that right there. As you can see, you got the power, you got all the ports, you got 2 USBs, you got your Ethernet, thank goodness, HDMI, and the power. It also appears to have a Kensington lock right there. Let's stand you up that way. Now, unless there is cooling right here at the bottom, it really looks like you can just stand this up, vertically this way without having to use the stand whatsoever. But we'll go ahead and check it out with the stand in a bit. Now, as far as horizontal is concerned, you have to position it this way. Go ahead and open up this bad boy. Ooh, look at that. Dualsense 5. So beautiful. So right in the middle of this, I do just want to add, with great gaming comes great audio. You need to have good audio gear to fully enjoy these games to the maximum of their potential. And here's the thing, I'm about to blow your mind. Headsets are not good audio. Now here's the thing, although you do need good audio gear to enjoy the games to their maximum, you don't need expensive gear. It really doesn't have to be expensive. So, I've left a couple links in the description that you can check out for a couple of devices that will enhance your audio experience and improve your experience with the PS5. I strongly advise you go ahead and check that out. I also have other headphones in my channel that you can go ahead and check out as well. They are amazing. Now, as you may or may not be able to tell, and I'll go ahead and, you know, take some 4K footage of that later on, there's a very, very rough texture to the controller itself, feeling very grippy, definitely, you know, a sort of matte, like sandpaper-like finish. But if you zoom in, you'll notice that that finish is actually the 4 shapes of the PlayStation itself. So that's a pretty cool aspect of it that they just don't really mention, and it's a nice little Easter egg. Now, I'm sure you've seen that around Reddit here and there, but it's very, very nice to see it in person. To be able to properly see it, I would have to put on my glasses, actually. It's that tiny and hard to notice. Like, I'm sure the first person who saw this or noticed this was like amazed when they saw it, because yeah. Now, as far as the feel of the controller is concerned, high quality feels right around the same as the PS5 controller. Maybe a little more stiff, a little more rigid in terms of, like, you know, durability, but it feels right around the same as a traditional DualShock 4. But yeah, I mean, there's the console itself. It's massive, as you can see. So I do recommend checking out the channel, because there are going to be quite a few things that are going to really, really improve your experience with the PS5. So go ahead and check that out. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on the channel. You know how it is. Anyways, thank you very much for watching this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next one.